In a dense jungle lived two beautiful birds, Bluebird and Pinkbird. Bluebird had a melodious voice, while Pinkbird's dance was enchanting. Every dawn, they sang together, filling the jungle with music. One day, a storm hit the jungle, breaking many trees. Bluebird's branch fell, and he got injured. Pinkbird grew very worried, but stayed by Bluebird's side. Pinkbird searched the jungle for healing herbal leaves. She applied the herbal juice on Bluebird's wing. Within days, Bluebird healed and regained his strength. They sang a new song of love and promise. They vowed never to leave each other's side. True love shines not only in joy, but also during hardships.